Are you ready to transform your future and leap into a high-growth career in finance? Hi, welcome to Imarticus Learning, where your dream career is just a course away. Our 100% job-assured Postgraduate Financial Analysis Program is designed for finance graduates with 0 to 3 years of experience who are ready to make a significant impact in the finance world. With over 125,000 careers transformed, Imarticus Learning is not just a stepping stone. We are your launchpad to success. Imagine yourself at prestigious organizations like Bank of America, Capgemini, Citibank, JP Morgan, E&Y, and many more. Our illustrious 200+ hour postgraduate financial analysis program equips you with essential job-relevant skills, from financial statement analysis and modeling to valuation, equity research, and transaction execution. We cover it all. Plus, you'll master crucial tools like Power BI, Excel, and PowerPoint. At Imarticus, learning by doing is our mantra. Immerse yourself in real-time financial decision-making with our cutting-edge simulations. Gain hands-on expertise in practical financial modeling for real-world insights. Learn from the best in the industry. Our curriculum covers Excel and accounting essentials, corporate finance, financial modeling, forecasting and analysis, financial products and markets, business valuation, data visualization, and data management. Expand your network and propel your professional growth into new heights. Our program comes with 100% job assurance, offering you 7 guaranteed interviews with leading financial organizations. This ensures you land the job of your dreams, be it as a financial analyst, private equity analyst, junior financial analyst, or a senior financial analyst, treasury analyst, investment analyst, lead financial analyst, and equity research analyst. Your chances of securing a position are higher than ever. Stand out in the competitive job market with our personal branding project and LinkedIn challenge. Enhance your professional presence and build a robust portfolio that catches the eye of prospective employers. Receive unparalleled support from our dedicated program mentors. They'll guide you through the curriculum, ensure you stay up to date with the in-class happenings, and motivate you throughout your academic journey. Redesign your CV with professional help, confidently prepare for job interviews with our tailored training module, and benefit from career mentoring by seasoned professionals. With an average salary of 5.5 LPA and a 60% salary hike, your financial future is brighter than ever. Come, join the ranks of successful professionals and let Imarticus Learning be your guide. Your dream career in finance awaits.